Oh, it does.
Yeah, so like.
Should I add another 100?
Yeah.
Fine, but I'm not gonna do a lot of, I'm not gonna do like as much as M1
Yeah, but
damage
you
I
don't
do.
care.
First-
Test it in Cupid Dungeon. Yeah.
Is it a good place for testing combos though?
With the Cupid Queen, actually, that's nice, I guess.
Okay, we can.
How can I go back to the main menu?
No, you gotta leave and then rejoin.
Bleh.
What do you want to do, guys?
Cupid
I don't know.
Dungeons.
Oh, I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead.
Cupid
Got
boat!
nothing.
What?
Got nothing.
Okay, Cupid boat.
Boom.
Oh, can I have it? Can I have it?
Yes.
Thanks.
GG. I mean, at least it's not a suke. Stay back. Oni! Giri!
No nigiri. Didi!
Got nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Only
What
my
food?
balls.
Ito.
My balls hurt.
be like-
My balls hurt. Oh, hold on.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
I'm gonna eat it. We lost.
Number
We
one, bro! What?
We
Okay.
lost.
Nice game for you. I swear, this game is trash sometimes. The combos, bro. The cooldowns are not showing properly. The things. What the fuck?
I'm just gonna stun, okay? I'm just gonna use stuns. Because then you guys can easily damage her. I feel like I feel like I can carry because of the stun.
She got wings, bro. Invisible wings. What the fuck?
Fuck. Why does Raging World have such a big cooldown? Please nerf Raging World cooldown and make it 0, like the first move of here, please.
Bro. Don't only be like.
Oh, can I get it?
I need it.
I don't care.
You're not.
Prusuk.
We are experts in navigating, guys. We definitely know where Egypt is.
Where's food is? Oh, what the hell?
Egypt is in Europe,
Guys, come
obviously.
here.
Yeah, Antarctica is in North America. What do you mean? Yeah, you're from Alabama. You can confirm.
Oh,
I'm
it's
from
here.
Alabasta.
The well is here,
No, I'm from Alabasta.
bruh.
Hey, my guy, can I second your? Oh, okay, never mind. I got rejected by him. Who died? And
Your
is there
mom.
blood in the? Your mom.
No, the imposter got him. He pushed him down the well. Okay, now we're gonna see that guy begging for help and then get dragged away.
Help me! Look, he's
Sweet
here.
home,
He's here.
Sweet home Alabasta. Hey, my guy, how are you, bro? Oh, never.
There he goes.
It goes to Brazil.
Bro, his voice is like, help me, help me. He got dragged to the back rooms, bro.
he went to level B of the backrooms. Brazilian BDSM room.
You're fucking. I smashed my keyboard. It's not working.
It's not working.
My keyboard is not working. I smashed it.
Last time it was the monitor, and now it's the keyboard.
I brought the keyboard.
Have you tried turning it on and off again?
It's a keyboard.
Have you tried breaking it and fixing it again?
I can try it if you want.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Oh, it works! It works!
I told you turning it off and on again works.
Guys,
Holy shit, I can do the same thing.
How?
I don't know.
It's a
Okay,
bug.
let me.
Oh no, you just press on the skins and it works. That's what that okay. Yo, you good?
Name your subject. Describe what a subject. Dim is dumb. Describe what happened. He tried
to smash his keyboard.
He didn't try turning it on and off again.
He didn't try breaking it and fixing it again.
Okay, we don't have sprint.
Bedroom. We should check in
Where's
the
the safe
bedroom.
zone? No, you go in the bedroom. What did you go in the bedroom?
That's
Oh,
safe.
shit. It's over there.
Shit,
It's
look at
over
that.
there. Oh, it looks cool. Are you okay,
Yeah.
bud? Are you alright?
He's
Are those feet doing well?
Okay, guys, we should check in the bedroom because there's something.
Your fucking mama, I'll hit you, bitch. Oh, fuck it.
Okay, I'm in the safe room.
Shit. I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
What the fuck, bro? Go in there. We should.
Have you tried?
Go
have
out.
you tried sma?
You fucking
Have you tried sma? Have you tried raging on and off again?
Chef, I don't wanna be friends with you anymore. You sound like a duck dying.
Have you have you tried turning it off and on again? You go first.
It's here.
I know. Oh, he has an arm.
Oh, people are
It's
sprinting now.
chasing me. It's chasing me.
He's having.
It's chasing me.
He's having a seizure.
We're sprinting now, guys.
Nice, thanks.
Thanks, Dim, for dying twice.
That's what your mom said.
Okay, Dim, let's go together. Come with me.
I'm with Chef.
Look, it's here.
Chef, if I actually die, you're oh no.
He's having
no.
a seizure. Look, look, look.
Chef, you gotta run.
No, we're faster than him.
Chef. Up here.
You literal cracker, we're faster than him.
Oh, he's here.
Watashi na wa speedo-kun.
Oh, he disappeared.
Hello, Dim-kun.
Okay, we should find the key.
Chef jump scared me too fucking times. I'm not trusting him anymore.
Okay.
Chef, as by the contract you signed, you go first.
No, I didn't sign a contract. You did.
Have you tried turning it off?
Oh, look, guys. He's having a seizure. Have you tried?
It was good, little bitches. Hello,
Have you tried turning your legs off and on again?
Have you tried?
Turning your legs up and on again. Hey,
Por
sir,
favor,
sir,
por
sir,
favor,
sir, sir,
por
sir,
favor.
sir. Guys, I turned on and off his legs. It didn't work. My name is
Have you tried turning your arm off and on again?
Por favor, have you tried turning your mind off and on again? Please climb the stairs.
Okay, follow me, guys. You follow me, okay?
Chef, okay, go first. Run.
Wait, so we're faster than it, right?
Yes.
Por favor.
The fact that I'm just going where Chef is going.
Por favor.
The monster no longer exists. This is our house now.
Por favor.
Por favor.
Por favor. Por favor. Por favor. Por favor.
Wait,
Por favor.
the dude okay?
No, he's not. Look, he's over there. Oh my god. Por favor.
Can I see your
Por
balls?
favor. Por favor, señor. Señor, por favor. Señor.
Bro teleported to the back.
Señor.
Bro teleported to the back.
Por favor. Crowbar. Por favor.
Have you tried turning on?
Hello, sir. My name is Jamal the Quavian Quandel Dingle, and I would like to tell you that your Netflix subscription is actually offline. Please stop chasing. What's good, my guy? My name is Por favor, me gusta Quandel Dingle. Hello, guys. My name is Quandel Dingle here. I was literally being chased by him.
Por favor. Dim.
No, Quandel Dingle here, and today I
Por
will show you.
favor. Por favor, señor, you are stuck.
Oh, guys.
turned it off and on again. He turned it off and on again. He turned it off and on again.
I love it when you call me. Hello guys, Quandle Dingle here. Hello guys, Quandle Dingle here. Hello guys, Quandle Dingle here. Hey dude, Quandle Dingle here. Today I'll show you how to take off your clothes.
Follow me. Oh, well.
Oh. No, I died.
Okay, no problem.
Por favor, we're going to your basement now, senor.
Guys, I enjoyed it a lot doing that. It was very
I
fun.
love
Yeah,
it when
like I
you
never
call
looked
me
this hard in
Demonita.
a horror game.
I love it when you
If
call
I skip
me,
you again, I'm
por
gonna do it again. I
favor.
don't care.
We're
I'm gonna
getting
do it again.
chased. We're gonna get chased.
Hello, my name is Quandle Dingle. Hey, my guy, you look pretty cool, bro. Is your legs working? Oh fuck! Oh shit! He's fast now. Oh hello, my name is Quandle Dingle, guys, and today I will send you to Brazil. Welcome to the backrooms. Load the necessary assets. You've no clue into the backrooms. Easy.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I took a lot of time editing it, and I feel like it's really great, and I laughed so hard with my friends Dim and CSGO. So maybe their channel will be in the description if they have one. Who knows? Well, that was all for me. Bye bye.